Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Let me know in the comment section below how are you all doing. So in case you're wondering what I'm doing like this here, so today I thought to pick up my camera and to do a whole day vlog. Also, I have a special guest here.
Hello everyone.
Alright, so she's my sister. Her name is Namni. She came from Thailand to meet me and, of course, her family. So, by the way, she's here for a couple of days and I'm going to take her to show Chandigarh. So, today we picked up few places to go. So, I thought to take you along with me and to show you this place. And one thing is different in this vlog is that this time we are not going in our car as my husband is not with us because he's in his office. Today we will be going on our scooty, so that will be the exciting thing. So yeah, as of now time is 9 a.m. We have not done our breakfast and even you're not ready yet. So yeah, let's go and see how we're gonna spend the whole day. Alright guys, so now I'm ready. You can see I'm done with the minimal makeup. I have just put on a bit of sunscreen and the slipper. And by the way, in case you're wondering, this slipper is from Miss Claire. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is that slipper and this is in the shade 26. So yeah, so as far as the plan is concerned, guys, my sister is no more interested as of now in doing any shopping or visiting to any place, but she's more interested now to go up hills. If you don't know that Kasauli hills are very near to Panchkula where we actually put up, so as of now she really wants to go up hills and want to enjoy and see the scenic beauty. So I think as of now we are sorted with the plan. So we are going on scooty and we are going on up hills. But before that guys, let me just show you one thing. Just give me a minute. Let me just put this off charger. Look at this guys. They are so damn beautiful. Alright guys, so we are now all sorted and we'll be leaving in 5 minutes. So let's go. Look at the beauty, guys. Oh my god, this is amazing. Look at the beauty.
Grasslands.
This is amazing. Okay guys, so after spending a good time, we are going back to Panchkula now.
Now again we are going to be the guides.
Alright, and one more time I'm going to show you the beauty of this place. So guys, after coming back from up hills, we came back to Chandigarh, so I thought to take my sister and show her the beautiful lake of Chandigarh. So we are here at Sukhna Lake. Let me just show you the view now.